During potentially dangerous weather situations, special phone receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Test of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m.
What the hell is going on?
If there has been a threat of warning alarm will vary at any given location. Its variability will be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and occur even though you are using
That's on the B-15.
in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. The station WXL-70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475. The warning alarm will be activated for the following counties: Alexander, Avery, Burke, Caldwell, Catawba, McDowell, Mitchell.
Nah, it already happened. Alright, well that went kind of well. I mean, GSP was a little late on the 11:30 thing, but that's fine. This is the first one I'm getting on stream. This is my seemingly cathartic setup with my old V16 activated just fine. So, pretty sure the audio should be in good quality.
Receiving our broadcasts that are not related to your equipment, please call our office at 1-800-2... This is the National Weather Service Office at Greenville, Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXL-70's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL-70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. The public warning alarm feature of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards will be activated for